Hello everyone. Today in this video we will be learning about autosave or auto recover feature of Microsoft Word. So autosave or auto recover are features we can enable in Microsoft Word to automatically save and backup our work. Sometimes we may experience power outages or errors that force us to reboot our computer before we have had the opportunity to save our work. So the autosave features allows us to choose how often our work is saved automatically. So this auto recover feature is an important and very interesting feature of Microsoft Word, which will automatically save our data after a certain period of time, or after a certain intervals it will keep on saving our work. So how to enable this auto recover feature, that we will going to learn in this video. Like I have opened Microsoft Word, which is a word processor. Like sometimes what happens, I am typing some important document. Hello everyone. And sometimes what happens, that suppose I have typed some important document over here and some error occurred in my system, or suddenly I suppose the system is not connected with a UPS, and I am working on certain some very vital document. I have typed 4 pages and I have forgotten to save my work. So when the light goes off, automatically whatever work I have done, it will be erased. So what I can do, I can use the auto recover feature of Microsoft Word. So auto recover feature, or which is also known as auto save feature, will automatically recover my data, or it will automatically save my data. I need not press control S control control S. I need not press control S or the save button to save my work again and again. So I need not press the save button over, which is present on top on the quick access toolbar, or I need not press the control S, the shortcut key, to save a document. Auto recover feature, if the auto recover feature is enabled, it will automatically save our work. So how to enable the auto recover or auto save feature? For that, you will click on the office button. This is your office button. Click on the office button and then you will choose the option Word option. Again, I am telling you the procedure again. Click on the office button, choose the option Word option. So when you will click on the Word option, the Word option dialog box will appear. This is your Word option dialog box, and in this dialog box click on the save button. So when you will click on the save button, so you can see this option called save auto recover information every 10 minutes. That means after every 10 minutes it will save your work. You need not press Ctrl S or the save button present on your application. Automatically it will save your information after every 10 minutes if this auto recover option is selected. If you will deselect it, then it will not automatically recover your work that you're working on. So you have to save it automatically, you have to save it manually. So if you don't want to save your document manually, just select this option auto recover information. So it's better you select this option, because sometimes what happens, you forgot to, you are in a hurry and you have left the system like that only without working on it, and someone comes at your system and he switches without saving your document, he closes your application. So in that case what will happen, whatever work you have done, it will be of no use, it will be erased. So if this auto recover feature is on, so after every 2 minutes or 1 minute you can save your document. So I have given over here, written over here 2 minutes. So after every 2 minutes my data will be saved, or whatever content I have written, it will be saved. So this is the use of auto recover, or which is also known as auto save feature. So it will automatically save your work that you have done after every the interval that you have specified over here in minutes. After every 3 minutes or 4 minutes or 5 minutes, it's up to you after how much interval you want the application to save your work. So I have written over here 5 after every 5 minutes. So after every 5 minutes it will save my work. So this is an interesting feature of Word, Microsoft Word. So try these features, but it is better that after doing certain work, just save your work by clicking on the save button. It is a good practice to save your work manually. But apart from that, you should also enable your auto recover option. Sometimes you forgot to save your file, so in that case auto recover will automatically save your work that you have done. So this is the use of auto recover or auto save option present in Microsoft Word. So it will automatically recover your work that you have done, or it will automatically save your work that you have done. So I hope this topic is clear to you, or this option which is present in Microsoft Word is clear to you. Thank you for watching this video. Keep on watching my videos, and do subscribe and share the videos.